If aliens ever landed on Earth, they wouldn't look like little green men. They'd look like something we already have. The octopus. Most animals on this planet have red blood. Octopuses don't. Their blood is blue. Instead of iron, octopus blood uses copper to carry oxygen. The protein is called hemocyanin, and it turns blue when oxygenated. This isn't just cosmetic. Copper-based blood works better in cold, low-oxygen environments like the deep ocean. It's a completely alien solution to the same problem. One heart wasn't enough for evolution, so octopuses got 3. 2 branchial hearts pump blood through the gills. A third systemic heart sends it through the rest of the body. And here's the weird part. The main heart actually stops beating when the octopus swims. That's why they prefer crawling. Swimming literally exhausts their heart. Your brain controls everything. An octopus brain does not. 2/3 of an octopus's neurons are in its arms. Each arm can taste, touch, and make decisions independently, without asking the brain. Scientists have observed severed octopus arms continuing to grab food and bring it toward where the mouth used to be. The arms have their own intelligence. Every animal on Earth evolves by changing its DNA over generations. Octopuses found a shortcut. They can edit their own RNA on the fly. This means they can modify how their proteins work without waiting for evolution. Researchers found that octopuses in cold water edit their RNA to keep their nerves firing properly. They're essentially hacking their own biology in real time. Octopuses can change their color, pattern, and even the texture of their skin in under a second. They do this with special cells called chromatophores, which expand and contract to create patterns. Below those are iridophores that reflect light, creating metallic sheens. The strangest part, octopuses are colorblind. They can perfectly match colors they technically cannot see. 500 million years of evolution on a completely separate path from us. Blue blood, 3 hearts, a brain in every arm, self-editing genetics, and camouflage they can't even see. Some scientists seriously argue that octopuses are the closest thing to alien intelligence on Earth. Like this video if your mind is blown. Subscribe to POV-Science because the animal kingdom gets even stranger than this.